Okay guys, I am preparing lunch for Kimberly. So she wants Caesar salads. I have cheese for croutons for here. And yun ko nung tawag niyan. At of course, meron akong padalang lunch for her. And I added some nuts. At itlog na lang kulang. And I added 2 eggs. And I will put some chocolates for her. 1 chocolate and her nuts. And I will put this in the Ziploc. And of course, I will let her have a scissor for this stuff. Kompleto ricados na yan, ha? Busog na. So, ayan, ready to go na yan. And sarado na. To go. Good to go.